This is why I've been saying now for about a year or so, if you're thinking about buying a Z Fold device, wait till 2026 because that's when the best foldable phones are going to come out. You got OnePlus Open coming out next year. You got the Z Fold 8 now. And according to this, there might be two different iterations. One is going to be the normal iteration with the same size screen as this year. And then the other one's going to have a bigger display in it, which is kind of interesting. Maybe they go with a fan edition then of the Z Fold 7, potentially. Again, like there's options, right? So two different versions of Z Fold 8 potentially. You got the OnePlus Open 2. You got another year of the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold now. Like there's so many phones. And then you got the iPhone foldable phone that might come out this upcoming, next year, which all these companies are competing for your dollar. All these companies are trying to make money here and trying to sell you these products. And what that means is if there's a lot of competition, it means it's going to be better for the consumer. More options, better for the consumer. They actually have to compete. What we have seen over the years is it hasn't been as much actual competing, which allows companies to kind of be complacent and not go crazy with it. So I'm excited to see what the Z Fold 8 quote unquote will end up being. The problem I have, right, and this is kind of the concept here. So the Z Fold 8 is supposed to be an 18 by 18 display, which right now the Z Fold 7 is a 10 by 9. So this could be 18 by 18, which will be humongous. But the tri-fold Z Foldable phone has a 6.5 inch outside display, a 10 inch inside display, and now we're at like 8 inches pretty much. I think the Z Fold 7 has 7.95 inches. The Z Fold 8 is probably going to hit around like 8.25, 8.3 inches, and the tri-foldable phones are 10 inches. At some point, we're going to have foldable cell phones that are the same size as a tri-foldable cell phone, which is weird to say because it's going to have two screens, but it's going to be the size of a tri-foldable cell phone. So again, like I said, Z Fold 8 is going to be the phone to get. That's going to be the humongous update. That's going to be the crazy necessity of different features, and I'm all for it. So hopefully we get some more information about this. But Samsung, come on. They got to come out with all the bells and whistles here. There's so many foldable phones that are going to be coming out next year, especially with Apple as well. There's no more dilly-dallying and just accepting mediocrity. You're not going to get mediocrity and sell a foldable cell phone next year. This year, maybe so. Previous years, maybe so. Not next year, because next year you just got so many, big dogs in the race that it's just going to be very challenging to not produce an actual good quality cell phone. Which, again, I don't want to say this like Z Fold 7 is a bad cell phone. It's not. It's a great cell phone. It looks great. It's amazing. It does everything you want it to do. But Samsung next year, that's the phone to get. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.